today behind two of my friends. We are headed to the North Fork Sauk Trailhead, and we are going to try to ski Glacier Peak, Washington's secret fifth volcano. Been up here once before 4 years ago. Swore I'd never come back, but the possibility of being able to ski it, check that off, is pretty big. We will be taking the standard route, which goes 6 miles up the North Fork Sauk River Trail to the Mackinaw Shelter, and then up the 26 switchbacks and 3,000 vertical feet to White Pass, where we'll be camping for the night. Then we will bop over into the remnant White Chuck Glacier Basin, skipping Marmot Knob, and then we'll skin across the basin to Glacier Gap. And there we'll begin the long climb of the Gerdine Cool Glaciers to the saddle between Dissapointment Peak and the true summit. If successful, we'll get an epic run down the mountain. Wish us luck.
What's up?
What's the vibes?
We're doing Glacier Peak today. We're hiking to White Pass. Probably gonna die. Packs are really heavy, but it's gonna be so fun. And my bladder is also leaking. We're doing it.
Is that the trail?
Where are you going, Sean? Oh, trash. Hey, thank you.
I'm not.
Check out these trees, they're so big.
I'm on this long walk of skis right now. Mackinaw Shelter, hopefully in 2 miles. Rocking my Giants hat. Currently, Willie Mays, rest in peace. All right, it's been just under 3 hours, just rolled up to Mackinaw Shelter. Water wasn't where we thought it would be, so we're gonna try to see if we can get some from the river. See what's up. Other two skiers out here. Yo, what's up? We're at Mackinaw. What's the vibes? How we doing?
Spirits are high. The packs are less punishing so far. And we're getting amped to go up most of the elevation gain, so that should be fun. And then it will be dinner and a beautiful sunset.
Wow. Grace is a positive spirit out here.
Flow state, no thinking.
Nathan's got a little buddy.
Is Nathan a Disney princess?
We didn't know Nathan was a Disney princess. He sang and it came to him.
Eat it for protein.
Means I'm salty.
We got salami, we got crackers, rosemary, actually, fancy, and Dubliner cheese. I guess this is actually Boar's Head Irish cheddar, but that's what it tastes like.
And I've got McChickens.
Lap of luxury.
Leaving Mackinaw Shelter, 3,000 feet in 3 miles, the 26 switchbacks.
Not much of a shelter though.
Not much of a shelter.
This is Mackinaw Shelter.
Yeah, emphasis on nah.
We're on switchback 15, about to be on switchback 16, and there's 26 switchbacks, so marathon number. There's Sean, there's Nathan. We're crushing it, and we're also sweating a lot. Peace.
Switchback 20.
We're basically done. We made it! We're at 26. Just like I said, we're almost There's beautiful blueberries and wildflowers all around, and great views.
Views are finally picking up.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
And the sun.
But it's not as hot.
First sketchy thing. Yeah.
Finally can see where we're camping tonight at White Pass. First side of it. Just crossed the PCT. Almost to high camp, maybe a half mile, mostly flat. White Pass, not high camp.
It's so beautiful up here.
White Pass, we arrived. Just met up with our friends. We're continuing onwards.
Calamari with dirt on it.
Yum.
Oh no! We're having deconstructed charcuterie with Italian dry red wine California salami and Irish
rubbed with herbs.
Rubbed with herbs and Irish cheddar cheese and rosemary crackers for
Wow.
an appetizer.
Wow.
And then we're having risotto with chicken for the main course.
Amazing. I got my chicken teriyaki rice. See what's up. It is so dang beautiful out here. It's about 9 p.m. Posted up in my tent. We are gonna have to get up super early tomorrow since we only made it to White Pass today. Today it took us about 7 hours to get from the trailhead to White Pass, and so since we only got this far, we're gonna have to get up at 3 a.m. 3:30. So hopefully we get some sleep. It's still really bright out. And the other thing about Glacier Peak is that we are getting classic North Cascades terrain out here on the trail, unlike other volcanoes. A lot of other volcanoes are separate. There's nothing in between. It's just volcanic terrain. But here we're getting like the classic North Cascades arms, deep, long meadows, Tahoe pine, forever. Views of other mountains all in the vicinity, aka the children of Glacier Peak. So it's pretty awesome. Good morning. It's just about 4 a.m. and we're about to get out of here. Just breaking down my tent. Hopefully marmots don't get to it while we're out of here. Snow felt firm-ish, which is good. Hopefully this traverse goes smoothly. You see the sun on the horizon? Slight cloud above us. Hopefully that thing burns off a little bit.
Drinking sludgy coffee rec pack. Starting a half hour later than we meant to.
All right, we out of here. 4:30 hitting the trail. Let's see what's up. I think our target is that gap right there. Meadow life. Crampon's not the funnest.
1,000 feet clear.
Whether
Yeah.
you and Nathan.
Just crested the ridge. Now we're gonna pass this little bowl thing and then hopefully strapping in, hopefully. First views. Mount Baker. Oh, it's a video. Well, we're skiing this top section here, so see how it goes. Sick. Let's go. Not so bad, pretty good snow. Now we're transitioning. Skidding, the hardest thing out there. So we're skidding now. Definitely not my favorite thing in the world. I cannot split ski downhill. So I'm going a slightly different route, trying to stay as low as possible. Right above them is where the summer trail meets up and is where I camped last time. Looks epic, dude. Glacier Peak. Fake. So this area we're on is the remnant White Chuck Glacier, and it still exists up this lobe. I don't know if the lobe to the right here, I don't know if the lobe straight ahead exists at all anymore. And so what that means is that the topo is all off, and there's kind of like a big dip here that didn't used to exist back when the glacier occupied this area. First signs of other life.
He does hood twice a week.
Like right next to Hare Rock, right?
Right next to your rock.
Yeah, alright, let's go.
This is so much better than last time I was here. We could see the mountain this whole time, which is awesome. Glacier Peak's my favorite mountain. Native name Takobia, Dagobe, either. Means mother of mountains, because on a map or from other peaks you can see the rest of the North Cascades just spiral out of here. It is so epic. Some of the places you can see. You can see Glacier Peak from like everywhere in the North Cascades. You can see it from Stevens Pass, Cowboy Mountain, Seventh Heaven Lift, Seattle. It's the closest volcano to Seattle. Mount Maud. First place I got the most epic view ever of it. Then Fortress and Hidden Pass, or High Pass area. It's epic there. And from the northern side too, you can see it too, Hidden Lakes. It's a Holly, I think. I'll have to see all the places I have pictures of it from. Just booted, but I got scared. Now I'm switching back to skiing. Absolutely stunning out here. Insanity. We're cruising up on Glacier Gap, which is one of the main features of this route. It's right where Gerdine Glacier meets up with the White Chuck Glacier. And this glacier used to go over the saddle before it receded, and now it's kind of just non-glaciated terrain, rocky, but it's a pretty cool little gap here. It's like a three-way gap. Head over to Glacier Gap to take a little view. Glacier Gap behind me. Where we just came from. Ooh, that sun's coming out. Where we're headed up towards. Pretty epic out here. This epic glacier that comes down from, I believe, the Kaholo Peaks. All time. Totally closed up, which is pretty epic. The only people who successfully made it to camp at Glacier Gap.
We're arriving at Glacier Gap. Woohoo!
Love the enthusiasm.
Mountain still seems fucking far away.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does.
What's up?
What up, what up? How's the vibes?
Good, I just got a water source. Just chugged a liter of water and got you a bunch of water if you want some.
Fuck yeah, dude.
So, fuck yeah. It was bad.
One more tent, I forgot. All right, I got 7-fingered Jack Ridge with Furno next to it and Mod and Copper. And in the range in front of it, I think we have Fortress and Chihuahua potentially. We're out of here. Oh well. Finally cresting Glacier Gap. There she is. First time she looks remotely close.
Hop on there. Skin up, skin up, skin up. Get to where it gets really narrow.
These guys can downhill ski and I can't. Look at them go. I'm gonna boot it. I'm about to start booting and they are already down there. You're gonna have to wait for me. Sucks. Probably could have snowboarded that. Maybe I should have snowboarded that. Sliding on this melted out ridge. Back to skinning. Hope this is chill. Turns out Grace and Son are behind me, so I'm glad we can get the squad together again. Reunited. How we feeling? Let's go.
Better now that I see your face, Nathan.
Yeah, I was scared too. These guys are burning me. Leaving me in the dust. Morale's currently low here at the saddle between the two glaciers.
Morale is low.
1,500 vert away. Our first evidence of glaciers, right where these two come together. Grace in the Suffer Cave. I don't want to turn around and see how far we get. I think up here on the glacier. Hell yeah, Grace, you're killing it. Yeah, I fucking hate wind. It is probably going like, how many miles per hour do you think? I was gonna say 30. You see, we're going on underestimate, right? Pretty cool. So I think we're turning around here at the top of Cool Glacier. And I've already been up this mountain, so I kind of have an insurance policy. I'll throw a little picture. You can't trust the weather forecast in this goddamn state. There's our friends who tried to hype us up. Yeah. Let's go, though. Alright, it's kind of corny. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Hell yeah, Sean, let's go. Yoo-hoo-hoo. The wave, baby. Look at those guys rip down there. Let's go! Oh, nice right here. Yeah. That part was good. Trickster God got us. Sunny up top now. Clouds don't even look like they're moving very fast. Traverse is rough, dude. Gotta keep going. Back to the base of Glacier Gap. It's back up at Dissapointment Peak. Maybe I can go summon it since it was disappointing today, but dude, it's so beautiful out here. And the whole point of having climbed Glacier Peak once is I don't have to do it again, so I don't feel too bad. And that run was epic. You know, the clouds had covered it. You couldn't see that good. It's still super corny. It's awesome. Look at these pros skidding, whereas I'm gonna boot. Gangsters. Yeah, I'm booting up that thing right there. Still, Glacier Peak's my favorite mountain.
It's like, so pretty.
And it's just so different because, like, we're in the North Cascades.
Yeah.
You know? Like, it's not a typical volcano slug through volcanic terrain.
It's because when they catch their edge, it's like, boom, just like that. Whereas water skiing, you just kind of go like, across the water. Yeah. You just kind of skip. It's pretty chill.
You're going to jail anyways, right? Might as well save the cat. Yeah, What are your thoughts right now, Grace? How you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing and all of a sudden very happy, but I would be happier if we actually summited. I swear to God, there was 3 drops of rain when we were up there. I'm not kidding.
Oh, sick, dude. Woo! Yeah, look at our our sick water source right here. Way out here, a total slog. Snowboarding and skiing, but it's beautiful. And I got a sick downhill that I am not filming. Well, once you guys sent your little avalanches, I was like, I'm gonna go somewhere new. Skiing, occasional split skiing that I'm terrible at, but haven't fallen yet. Slogging through the Glacier Basins. Just passing the White Chuck Glacier right now. So this trip's kind of ended up being a yin and yang of my last trip. Last trip we camped in the first Glacier Basin. Didn't get any views because we were socked in for most of the trip. And we successfully summited. Shout out homeboy Matt. This time, camped at White Pass. Had epic views all day today. Did not successfully summit, but skied the Cool and the Gerdine Glacier, which was awesome. So now I've kind of done it all out here. It'll be tough to get me to come back out. Just crested this shit. There needs to be, someone needs to name this pass right here since everyone is taking it.
We're naming this Nathan Pass in honor of this potentially being Nathan's last time here ever.
Wow.
Forever.
I feel special.
And certainly not Sean and Grace's.
That is exactly what Nathan said last time. Look where he is.
Yep, yep. This slow final booter to our camp. Big time regretted not skiing, even if I'd come down a different chute. Home sweet home. Thank the Lord, that's off my back. Doesn't even look like human skin. Back at camp. Ready to go sleep. And hopefully Grace isn't too bummed that we turned around. Grace,
Yeah.
how you feeling?
Excellent. So happy to be back at base camp and ready for a snooze.
Not bummed at all?
I'm a little bummed. I think it will really hit me tomorrow.
All right, I'll re-interview tomorrow.
Yeah. Right now I'm just happy to be alive.
Sick. Well, it's 5 a.m. Tent is packed up and we are getting the hell out of here.
It's like that we have to come back.
The post hole from hell right here.
You good?
Dude, we see the trailhead. I never want to be on the North Fork Sauk ever again.
That's always
All right, cars are still there.
woohoo!
Cars intact.
Definitely not.
And keys, baby.
Check this out.
My favorite part was my least favorite part was turning around at the summit block, and my favorite part was the sunrise. yesterday morning.
That was a pretty baller sunrise.
Yeah, it was so pretty.
Sean, what you got?
Skiing down Cool Glacier. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Least favorite part? 26 switchbacks with 45 pounds.
Sick.
Fuck that noise.
Hell yeah.
What was yours, Nathan?
I'll say seeing as a squad down this cool in the Gerdine
Yeah.
Glaciers was the sickest, I
That
think.
was sick.
Yeah. It's a wave, baby.